reason why I need to be alone, to show me there's a silent place that I can call my own. Is it mine? Oh Lord, is it mine? You know I get so weary from the battles in this life, and as many times it seems that you're the only hope in sight. Is it mine? Oh Lord, is it mine? When everything's dark and nothing seems right, when nothing to win, there's no need to fight. If only I could find a way to feel the sweetness through your day, love that shines really will be mine. So give us an answer, won't you? We know what we have to do. There must be 1,000 voices trying to get through. Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting lesson. This one is going to be quite tricky. There's lots and lots of chords in it. Very pleasant song by Supertramp, or Roger Hodgson, if you want to do is the man himself, okay? And the song's called Lord Is It Mine, okay? Hope you enjoyed that. We went through everything in the song there. I left out a verse and a chorus, and obviously there's a instrumental verse in it as well, but everything that's in the song I played through there, okay? Hope you enjoyed that, and you'll join me in a couple of days for the breakdown. You might need a few large cup of tea or a stiff drink for this one. Bye for now.